Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen.
Today I'm making a quick snack, fried eggs with a Maggi sauce, and I'm sure every Chinese household has made this. And Maggi sauce is made from fermented wheat gluten and it's mixed with assorted seasonings. So this is a 2-ingredient dish. So let's start cooking.
Okay, I have the pan set at medium-high heat. I'm going to add a generous amount of oil. And we want the egg to be crispy. It's not going to be cooked American style. Crack all the eggs in. Cooking 6 eggs. Add a little bit more oil on the side here. Make sure you cook the egg to your liking. Okay, I'm going to flip it. We'll let the other side cook for a little bit. I like my eggs medium and the yolk has cracked, so it has a nice brown crust to it. Perfect. Okay, that's done. That only took like a couple minutes. Turn off the heat. Let's just serve this. Okay, so let's plate this. Just like to break it up in little rows. And I'm pretty sure every Chinese family has eaten this dish with Maggi sauce. And you know, cook the eggs the way you like it. And if you like a little contrast, you can add a little bit cilantro and green onion on it. And here we have a super quick and simple snack, fried eggs with Maggi sauce. The fried eggs have a chewy texture and the Maggi sauce gives it that super savory flavor. Enjoy! Okay, let's see if Shadow likes it. Oh, yummy. She loves fried eggs with Maggi sauce. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Join me on Facebook. Good girl.